anyways, I just love these. So long I didn't see these. I like the bigger ones, so I like the bigger ones. These ones like so small.
Hey, pretty young thing, I see you like the vibe. Don't get caught up in the wrong things.
Y'all don't want to believe I did blabbing, talking away, doing my intro, saying whatever the case is, and it was not recording. I only realized it wasn't recording because my phone just shut off. Like, you know, like when you got a camera, I had a camera thing on and it just like shut off blank. I look back at my photos, no video. Anyways, it's the girl Drayah and I'm back with another video. And I was saying that I just got done doing my Amazon unboxing my random stuff from Amazon, and I just decided to go ahead and unbox my ring light one time in this video. And I was saying a little disclaimer instead of my unbox my Amazon package video. I show y'all that I ordered I turned on my voice because my mom could be in the kitchen. I ordered this fart spray and I want to do a prank on her, but I'm not gonna upload that video because I don't want anyone to spoil it, because my family does watch these videos and I don't want them to mention anything about it. So I will go ahead and do that prank video before I upload this. And today is the 23rd of August, so these videos gonna be uploaded like after I do that prank, and I don't know when I can get a perfect chance to do it, but so just telling y'all from now, I'm gonna do that prank first, then upload all these videos because I want this to be perfect. Like, I want a perfect reaction from her. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this video now. So we have ring light. So it's a 10-inch LED ring light, and I actually wanted an 18-inch. I don't think like I actually read the inch. I didn't read it. I just read the reviews now, and like all the reviews was good. Like, it didn't have like not one bad review, but I didn't pay attention to the inch. I wanted a bigger one, but I guess that's okay. It's a start for now. So we're gonna start with this and we're gonna gradually upgrade. So yeah, so this is the 10-inch LED ring light, and on here it's just got like, I guess, the pounds and the size. I don't know. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. If I need help with anything, I'm gonna call Drew because yeah. This looks small. It is small. Oh man, I wanted the bigger one. I wanted a bigger one. Look, it is a small one. That's okay. That's okay. It was my mistake for not reading the inch. Oh, it was my mistake for not reading. So I'll just do this for now, and then I'll just upgrade, like I said. But it's even fancy. It's just this. Oh my god. It's just that. Nothing else in this box. What is this? Thank you for purchasing our products. Not happy. Yes, sad face. Not happy. I don't even, this doesn't even have like a company. Like, where was this made? I don't know. Let me see if I see where it was. Oh, right here. Made in freaking China. Really? I thought I'd get like a decent ring light. So this is just the instructions or whatever. So this is the packing details. This is how it looks. So I have, oh, look. So it says precautions for youth. Please choose something brand so to forget blah blah blah. The slight noise unavoidable. Excuse me. No, that's not. Packing details: one 10-inch LED ring light, one 1.6mm tripod, really, one cell phone clipper, one hot boot pan tilt. I don't know what that is. One Q29 pan tilt, and it say how to use. It got cold light, natural light, warm light. So I guess it got like the bright light, like a little dimmer and then like the yellow light. So the remote, this remote, so I guess this remote here, this remote gonna thing. Okay, let's just see. So installation instructions. So 1, install the mobile clip by rotation. Install the phone holder. Rotate until tighten. Okay, let's just see if you get this though. I'm a bit disappointed because I didn't know it was so small, to be honest. But look the size of this thing. Wow, like my head could literally fit in this. This is so freaking small. Like I am mad. I'm low-key mad. Why didn't I look on the freaking inch, on the damn inch thing? I wanted an 18-inch. Hello. Anyways, let's just do this. Y'all, I don't know what's going on with my phone. My phone shut off again and it was recording this time. So I don't know. Yeah, I think this is a, look at this. I don't even know how to open it. This thing's supposed to have like legs. Oh. Oh, it could go tall. How are you supposed to get this out? Oh. Like this. So we have the tripod thing. Like this. And then this could go longer. Okay. So this is a fully. So guys, it's actually tall. Like I thought it would have been small, but it's tall. This is so like light. You can tell it's cheap. Anyways, what are we supposed to do now? So the first thing, install the mobile clip by rotation. What is that? Listen, I am trying to figure this out. What the? We can't be losing nothing. It's just fall off. Let me see if this got to tighten or something. So I'm just tightening this right here. I don't know what it's for, to be honest. Okay. So how do we get this to stay up like this though? I don't know how we get this. Can this keep on this keep falling down? Okay, I need to call Drew. Drew! Hurry up! I don't know, this gotta be on here. Oh. Now I know. So, this, the phone piece have to screw on top of this piece right here. Oh shit. Oh, so this could move wrong and wrong. This piece here. I'm just gonna get this on. Okay, so I guess this would go like wrong and wrong if you wanted to go, I don't know, like that. So I got the phone piece on. The next step is install. Wait, I guess this could have come off. Okay, so install the phone holder. So I did that. 3, rotate until tightened. Okay, so let me see. Okay guys, so I'll just wait till Drew comes so he can help me with these stuff, because like these little pieces and stuff coming off. I don't know if it's because I don't have no patience or what, but I'm gonna need his help. Drew taking long to come, so I can just try in the meantime. So it says I must tighten this thing here, but I can't really get that tighten. Instead tighten the bottom, I tighten there. Then it says to put it on top of this. I don't know how this gonna stay sturdy because it keeps falling down. Let's see. Shit. Oh my god. I gotta mash this up before I even use it. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, so it is on. Let me just go back. It's tall like this. It's way too tall for me, so it's gonna have to come like right here. But I don't know how to get it tightened to be right here. So we get it on. So that's how tall it goes. But I'm gonna need it to be right here.
Smaller?
I don't know how this small.
Couldn't find one smaller than that?
I don't know how this small. I just see through my thing. I should have bought the 18-inch, but
Let me get a shot.
y'all see my brother making fun of me, asking if I couldn't get one smaller than this. Like, I swear, I did not look at an inch, to be honest. He wanna be forward, but yet he here telling me he doing TikTok videos with this, but he want me dissing it. Look, this got to tighten. I don't know how, and I don't know how to keep
What
this
would the
up.
man do?
The man, this all I got. It's so cheap. It was made in China. I didn't even know. I got it out of the phone on an 18-inch one. gonna be sitting on for most of the videos. Okay, guys, so let me just turn it. Okay, guys, so we're finished putting it together. So let's just turn it on now. The remote on top of this, you can't really see the remote because they have like a USB. You gotta thing it in. So this gonna be cheap, but look at it. That bright. This is bright, y'all. This is bright. And then that's like, this is like the natural part, I think, on the bed. Yeah. So yeah, this is the, oh, this is the warm light. And what this one is, let me see. That's bright. I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave Drew change it. Let me just change the different ones. Okay, I guess this is, that's warm, bright. That's cold. Natural. Warm. I guess that's warm. I don't know. Y'all get it.
Can you the thing stopping it? Pop socket.
Oh, the pop socket on. Oh yeah.
I'll do phone shoot up.
Okay, guys. So this is the light. I think it's bomb. Change it different. Change it. I thought you could hold this thing in your hand, but this onto the card. So these is the lights. Press it again. The remote there, what you pressing? Press it again. Okay, this one cool.
And just 3.
Okay, press it again. That's all of them.
There's only 3.
Ooh, I like this one. This one look good. Yeah.
Enjoy. Take out this. No. No, take it off. No.
Take off, ma.
Take off this.
This
no.
in your shirt.
And just take this off. No.
This your shirt.
And just take it off. No. You want pink? Go take it off.
You gotta embarrass me like that on top of camera. Oh.
Yo, don't be sketching up in there.
Stop. Okay, guys, so that's it for my unboxing my ring light. And overall, I would say that it's cheap. Like, it kind of, well, it ain't flimsy. I wouldn't say flimsy, like really sturdy, like when you tighten everything. But it is cheap. I can't remember how much it was for. I'll probably put it on the screen when I go back to my order, look and see. And I mean, it's like for beginners or whatever the case is, I guess it's okay. But if you want like a real deal thing, I guess you will go ahead with a more expensive one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the 18-inch from the band. How about the band? From the brand, the company new something. I don't know. I'm gonna put on the screen too. I'm gonna get that one. But for now, I am happy with that. You see Drew, they're checking it out. Checking it out, he TikTok videos after he done diss it. But yeah, guys, I'll be doing my videos now and I'll be having better lighting. I kind of happy with it. I don't really care. Let me see how it look. It look better. I can't see it.
Wait.
Wow.
I gotta you tell people with my shoulder.
What? Move, let me see.
Look here.
Hey. You look better?
You tell people with my shoulder.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.
Girl.